Hey there! Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'll show you the easiest way to add a payment method on Amazon Music so that you can enjoy all your favorite songs and playlists without interruptions. First of all, make sure to open up Amazon Music app on your device or open up a web browser and type in music.amazon.com and search. Log into your account either way, and once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on your Amazon Music settings. On the next page, click on Manage Payment from the bottom. Now, you can go ahead and add a payment method for your Amazon Music. As a mode of payment method, you can enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code by tapping the drop-down at the top. You can also add credit or debit cards in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply go ahead and enter the name on the card, the credit or debit card number, its expiry date, and the CVV or CVC code. After entering your details in the text boxes, click on Continue. Once added, if your credentials are correct, you'll see the new payment method in your list. You can then try purchasing or subscribing to a plan to ensure it works. And that's how you easily add a payment method on Amazon Music so that you can enjoy unlimited streaming of your favorite songs without any hassle. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.